Hey guys, today I'm going to cook some summer squash. So let's get toasting. I've got some zucchini and some yellow squash here that I grew in my garden. My yellow squash never seems to get very big, but it tastes good. So I'm just going to take the ends off of it like this. And I'm using this 10-inch cast iron skillet. I'm going to do this in my toaster oven, but you can do this in the big oven as well. You could probably use a baking dish. So I'm just going to cut all these up in slices like that. And I'm going to add just a little bit of oil so they don't stick to the pan. This is avocado oil, but you can use whatever kind you want. And a little bit of kosher salt. And a little bit of Johnny's seasoned pepper. Besides pepper, this has sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion in it. And I'm just going to mix these all up. I set my oven to bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. I'll let you guys know how long that takes. It's been 25 minutes, so I'm going to check on these. Oh yeah, they look soft. I'm going to get them out of there. Those are good to eat just like that, or you could throw some cheese on top. But I have some nice homegrown tomatoes here, so I think I'll slice one of these up and throw that in there with it. That's a nice juicy tomato. That'll add some flavor. Get all that in there. Mix it up. We'll grab a plate. I don't need a plate. I'll just eat it out of the pan. I'm going to sprinkle a little parmesan cheese on top. That'll give it a little extra flavor. And we'll see how this is. Squash is nice and soft. Tomato juice ought to give it some extra flavor. The tomatoes there. We'll try it out. That's really good. The tomato adds a lot to it. I'm not sure if Annie will eat squash or not. I'll give her a piece of zucchini with a little parmesan on it and see if she'll eat it. There you go. You don't want it? Here, try it. I guess not. That's one of the first things Annie won't eat. Well, I liked it even if Annie didn't. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.